Hi, welcome back to my channel. Believe it or not, this is day 2 hair. If you are curious to see how I preserved my hair overnight in my morning routine, stay tuned. I am so tired here, but luckily the nighttime routine only takes a couple minutes and it only requires one item, which is my square satin scarf. I'm going to take the scarf and fold the top corner down where the top corner is a little past the halfway mark. I am going to flip my hair over and take the folded half to the back of my neck, and I am pushing my hair up so that the hair is not smashed by the scarf as I tie it. And I'm just continuing to push the hair up and taking the two opposite ends of the scarf and pulling it across the opposite side of my head and tying it in the back. I am now pulling the top corner up so that I can scrunch the hair inside of the scarf, and I have enough material where I can go ahead and twist it down so that all of my hair is covered, and I am intertwining that corner through what I previously tied so that it stays tight and it doesn't move throughout the night. I also use a satin pillowcase to make sure that the scarf doesn't move at night. And that is it. I am ready for bed at this point, and it is time to strut out. Good morning, sunshines. What is under the scarf? Let's find out. So I already gotten dressed because I don't like to create any frizz when I am putting my shirt on or taking a shirt off. I'm going to start with the Mane Choice Growth Oil, and I will put a couple dots on 3 of my fingertips. And this is something that you normally use on your scalp, and that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to rub that in on my hands and then go into my scalp and shake my hair down. I'm taking my hands and I am going up to the top of my head, and as I reach the top, I am closing my fingers to grasp the hair and I am pulling it down, and then I'm shaking out some of the hair, and doing that helps to make the hair lay down more and to make it look a little bit more tamed. My hair is still sticking up a little bit, so I'm going to go in with the infamous Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil. I'm only pouring a little bit into my hand, and I'm going to rub it all over my hand so that I'm not causing any frizz as I go into my hair. And I'm using the praying hands method to pull my hair down and fluffing some of the hair over from in front of my face. But most of the motion right now I am using to pull the hair down since it has been up the entire night. And I do a lot of shaking in this process because sometimes the hair will fall in place on its own as I shake it. Using the pick helps to create some volume since the hair on top of my head was a little flat, but it also combs some of the hair back into place. If you do find any frizzy pieces of hair, you can take a little bit of water onto your fingers and finger coil your curl back into shape. But luckily I didn't have any frizz going into day 2, so after doing a couple more fluffs and moving a couple curls around, I think I am ready to go. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!